Hello there! Thank you for tuning in and welcome to my channel IT Hiring Training. In this introductory video, I'll give a brief walkthrough of what you should be expecting. I'll talk about thoughts and ideas that nudged me to start doing this, as well as what goals I'm pursuing, what problems and constraints I'm trying to help you resolve. But let me introduce myself first. My name is Igor and I'm an IT professional who has been serving in managerial and executive roles for a good past decade. As you have probably inferred from the name of the channel, the primary idea has to do with some sort of training around the hiring process. My goal is to help both sides, the hiring managers and job seekers, have a better understanding of the procedures, form the right perspectives, and build an approach that is most efficient and least stressful to get to the desired goals. I will share key insights from my past experiences on how to structure a resume, how to prepare and express yourself during an interview to maximize the positive impression. For managers, I'll focus on what to look for in a candidate, how to see through the textbook bullshit, and how to feel confident extending an offer to the candidate after only a few hours of interaction. During my career, I have been involved in countless interviews and hiring sprees. I have interviewed candidates of different levels for various positions. In fact, I have been interviewed as a candidate myself, both as a developer and as a manager. And it disturbs me to see how much stress, confusion, fear, and uncertainty surrounds this process simply because people do not understand what is expected of them and what should they focus on in this process. But I'm here to help. And while I can't guarantee that my tips are a sure path to a six-figure, stress-free dream job, I am confident you will find these helpful and beneficial. So, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave your thoughts in the comment section below. I will be posting a new episode every Tuesday night, so make sure you tune in. In these videos, I will share key points and considerations from different areas of a job application process. I will also go over some of the resumes that I come across and discuss in detail the good and bad using real-life examples. I also welcome collaboration and will love to receive feedback from you and discuss it in future episodes. Send your resumes to my email, which you can find in the description box below. I will select the most interesting ones and give you a complimentary review of how to make your resume look more appealing to a hiring manager. So with that, I'm going to wrap it up, but I'm really hopeful to see you next Tuesday.